You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop, and this is the Adventure Time Fin Hat Plus DVD. The main cover has Jake versus Me-Mow on there, because that's the first episode on the DVD. And that's where Me-Mow wants to assassinate the Wildberry Princess. So he climbs in Jake's nose and, just torments him till the ending, where Jake can supersize himself and not be affected by the poison. And then, of course, Finn steps in there and tries to give him a hand. Let me flip this around. So that's the one episode I watched on here. So let me get it out, actually. There's the back. It says Jake versus Me-Mow and all the other episodes on there. So the hat now. Got to show you the hat, right? But I brought in one of our trusty models. This is my buddy. Now, my buddy's come into a lot of other videos, especially early on with Lucky Penny Shop. So you haven't seen him in a while. But look at that. My buddy. So he's going to wear the hat for me. A little too big for his head, but hey, add a little decorum, right? So now, the DVD. So these are all the episodes. Can you see all of them? Let me just tilt this down a little bit. So now I watched Jake versus Me-Mow. So tell me, everybody, I want to know everything on here where it says episodes. Mortal Recoil, Ocean of Fear, Dad's Dungeon. Help me out. Which one should I watch next, okay? And then, that's what the DVD looks like. So this is where he was in the pie when he first came out. So this is the Righteous Reads. So all the different books, those came out last year. On the back, there's some interesting figures. There's the Deluxe 2-inch Candy People pack, Deluxe 2-inch Fiona and Cake pack, the Nintendo DS and 3DS games, the DVD collection there, and these two 5-inch figures. It says 5-inch Finn in a Jake suit and 5-inch Me-Mow. That's the whole set, and it came in that cool little plastic case. You've seen the hat, remember? Little buddy over here. So we'll just leave it at that. We're signing off here. It's Lucky Penny Shop. Again, we do appreciate you watching. Later. And always remember, if you see a lucky penny, pick it up.